welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon Michelle, and in today's video I am back with another headband wig video, but this time it is in collaboration with HerGivenHair. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard about them on YouTube. I'm super excited that I finally get to work with them and try out some of their hair. So yeah guys, if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into this. You guys know recently I've really been into headband wigs. They're my go-to when I'm just feeling tired and don't really want to do my hair, but if I need to go somewhere, easily put on these wigs and go. So this is what it came packaged like. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. You guys, I love headband wigs now. Like, they are just everything to me. So go ahead and get this open. Ooh, the packaging is nice. Ooh, HerGivenHair, be yourself, be given. The packaging is really nice. Okay, so this is the box, really sleek, nice. I love it with the little gold. Okay, HerGivenHair, this is really nice packaging. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Okay, the presentation right away is super nice. I feel like Christmas. Okay. Really nice presentation. I like that. Okay, so it comes with a little bag to store my hair. I like that because a lot of brands sometimes they don't include bags to store your hair. And when you start getting a collection going, you need a bag. So it comes with this nice little foldable scarf. I think that's nice. It has a little satin scarf. It looks like sunflower on it. And of course, if you guys haven't heard about the headband wigs, you can change the bands on the wigs and stuff. But let's get straight into the hair. So we have the hair right here. This is in the 16-inch curly, so it is like a 3B, 3C texture. It is in a natural hair color, and the cap size I got is a small. And this is human hair. Of course. Comes with some extra clips if you want a little bit of extra security. And if you guys didn't know, the headband is already attached onto the wig, so it's kind of like a headband, a half wig with a headband attached to it, so it's super easy just to throw on and go. So this is what it's looking like fresh out the package. Okay, really nice. It kind of resembles the texture of my own real hair, so okay, I'm liking that. It kind of has that kinkiness to it. And of course, like I said, your headband is attached. It does have some clips inside so that your wig isn't going nowhere when you put it on your head. And I like that they already had the Velcro covered with some plastic, because the Velcro can kind of stick to your hair and you don't want it to snag. So I like that it's already just on there. And then they did give me some cute headbands as well. So I have this one right here. Gave me a nice little leopard cheetah looking headband. And then this one, I think this is kind of like one of those turban ones where you can kind of just wrap it around very thick and stuff. So that's really nice as well. And then, like I said, the big scarf. So let's go ahead and get this wig on my head. Usually I just kind of prep my hair. I've been wearing headband wigs lately, so my hair is already prepped for it. I just have I do like a little leave out of my real hair, but it's basically just slicked back into a bun, and then I just attach the wig on top. So it also comes with a little wig instruction book, so I thought that was nice in case you need any instructions on like how to lay wigs and stuff. But okay, let's just get into this. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the plastic on it. And it's optional if you want to leave hair out like I did, but I like hair out just because I feel like it looks more natural. I gotta stop getting small wig caps too, because my head is not that small. But it feels like when I get medium wig caps, it's too big. So now, yeah, you just snap it in the back. That's it. And then just get this on here. Like small does fit, but sometimes it's just a little tight on my head. So this is what it's looking like fresh out the box. I'm of course gonna wet it and put a little curl defining products in it, but this is the hair just fresh out. It's big, it's soft, and it just looks more like my hair texture, closer to what my hair is. So yeah, let's go ahead and wet this hair some. I think I'm going to use the Rizzo's Curls Refresh and Detangle spray as well to help define these curls, but I'm just going in with a little bit of water right now. And y'all, you see how fast I put that wig on? Like, it's super easy to put these wigs on. The hair feels nice and full. It doesn't feel like thin hair either, so I like that. I get a nice full head of hair. And what I like about headband wigs, you can also do different styles. So you can put this up in a ponytail, you can put it in a bun, you can really just make it look like it's your real hair. Like, that's one thing I really love about these. And since this wig is shorter than my other ones, I'm definitely going to use this one for when I want to do like buns in my hair. So I feel like this is perfect for like even going to the gym, for working out, you know. So this is the hair now that's kind of gotten wet. Looks really cute. I'm actually going to use my Shea Moisture Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer. This is like a really good product to use when you're styling your hair. So I'm going to use some of that on this hair, because it really like makes the curls pop. Like, it's really a good curl primer even for your natural hair. So see, the curls is popping right away. Okay, this hair is very easy to finger detangle through as well. There is a little bit of shedding, which is normal, especially for curly hair. So normal shedding. This hair feels really good. Really good. It feels like some really healthy natural hair. Like, just soft. Okay, hair. Now I'm like gonna flatten out the top, because I always like the top kind of flat, even though it looks fine like this. This hair looks so good. It's so full. I love how full it is. Like, it just looks, wow, it looks so natural. So natural. Wow. Y'all, look at this hair. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like with some different headbands. It's the first look. Oh, this is so cute. I want to show you guys like it up. Y'all, I needed this whole look right here for the beginning of summer. This would have been so cute. So yeah, you could even do like, put your hair up. You could do like a high puff with this. You can do different looks. Especially when it dries out again. It's gonna be nice and full. You could rock your little puff. Wow, this really looks like my real hair, especially when I do it up in a puff at the top. Whoa. This literally looks like my real hair. Okay, this is the little leopard one. Super cute. This is like the quickest wash and go ever too. Like, I'm ready to go. It's already done. And then I'm gonna try this last one. These kind, I think you can adjust it to like any way you want it, like this. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah, I see girls rock their hair like this. This is so cute. Oh, I really like this one. Now this is different. I like this. Oh, this is so cute. I think I want to wear my hair like this one today. I think I'm gonna do this look today. This is cute. Kind of gives me like African vibes. Ooh. All right, and then the last one is this really beautiful scarf, so I could pretty much do whatever. Y'all, I like this look right here. I don't know why. I like it. So this scarf, oh, it's really nice satin. Oh, it's flowers in a vase. So pretty. So pretty. You can tie a scarf so many different ways, it doesn't matter, but I'm gonna do this way first. Push it back a little bit. You can do this kind of look. Wow, you can really get creative with headband wigs. Okay, you can do that. So yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Definitely check out HerGivenHair. I will have all the links and specs of this hair linked in the description box below. Makes a really great go-to wig. You can wear it up, down, however you want. It's just the perfect wig and it looks like my hair. I really love this. So yeah, make sure you guys check the description box. Check out HerGivenHair. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.